At home, there are serious questions about whether the National Labor Relations Board has lost its way or perhaps embarked on a new course. Correspondent Doug McElway on a group that is supposed to be all about fairness.
The National Labor Relations Board, the federal agency tasked with protecting employees from unfair management or union practices, has become a biased advocate for big labor. That blunt assessment in a report released today by Chairman Darrell Issa of the House Committee on Oversight.
The NLRB is supposed to be a fair and neutral arbitrator. They're supposed to have a firewall between the judges, if you will, and the representative as a plaintiff. Just the opposite is the case.
The NLRB is designed much like an appeals court. The general counsel serves a prosecutor-like role. The five-member board serves a jury role. As in a court of law, rules forbid the two from communicating about pending cases. But NLRB emails turned over to the committee under force of subpoena reveal many such ex parte communications, some of them dealing with Boeing's decision to build a non-union plant in South Carolina to augment production of the highly sought-after 787 Dreamliner. In one email, the Associate General Counsel of NLRB, Barry Kearney, praises a union press release about the Boeing case, stating, "Hooray for the red, white, and blue." In another, reacting to Boeing's intention to fight the complaint, an NLRB attorney writes, "Let the games begin." And in another, the NLRB's head of public affairs writes to the acting general counsel, worried that she, quote, made the machinists union mad. All of them, says Chairman Issa, forbidden under the National Labor Relations Act.
We need to look at the act and the protections that used to be there and perhaps make this ex parte communication, which is a rule violation, into a criminal violation.
Asked by Fox News to respond to the release of today's report, the head of NLRB Public Affairs wrote, quote, "Thank you for forwarding the committee report. We weren't aware of it and don't have any comment at this time." 3 of the 5 NLRB board members with deep ties to big labor were recess appointed to one-year terms and did not undergo scrutiny of the Senate's advice and consent. With the adjournment of the 112th Congress only days away, the opportunity now arises for President Obama to make more recess appointments. Brett?
Doug, thanks.